it's Dr. Bunny Vreeland and Pat Pothier. We've been talking about PTSD, and in our last segment, Pat gave us some options as to what we can do to help people with PTSD. Not necessarily us, but you did offer hypnotherapy. But some of the other offerings were mindfulness.
Correct.
So
meditation.
Meditation. So does everybody know what meditation is? We need to put that out for people so that they know how they can take advantage of some of these options. You mentioned horse therapy.
Equine therapy, sure.
Yeah. So tell us about that.
Okay, so let's start with meditation.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody's probably heard about meditation and how it benefits the body. And what we need to do now is take that concept, that therapy, that treatment pattern, and get it out to the masses.
Meditation is hard for some people because they can't focus that long on not focusing.
Right.
Which sounds awful, but I mean, really, our minds are like that.
Well, you know what's kind of cool about it is that we've been going through some meditation with some veterans here in Camarillo.
Nice.
Anywhere from, sometimes the meetings have 6, sometimes they might have 15, depending on how many show up that particular week.
Mm-hmm.
And what we're doing is we're leading them through the fact is that meditation's not hard.
No, it isn't.
It's not hard. But what we need to do is, because a lot of people think, oh, I got to clear my mind. I got to be absolutely blank.
Yeah.
Not true. It's a combination of mind, body, and heart. Or soul.
That's a great way to put it.
So if you have all 3 of those, what you want to do is have those in alignment. So what the leader does is he actually shares with them, let the thoughts come in, let the thoughts go out. Don't fight them, because when you fight them, what you do is you cause your body to stress, and you don't want your body stressed during a meditation. But don't give them any value either. Just let them come in, notice them, acknowledge them, let them go out. So they it gets away from that concept of trying to clear the mind so that it's completely.
I do a float.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a float. Okay, I'm putting you on a flotation and sending you out.
Right.
Make it very light, like a cloud.
Exactly. So what we're talking about in meditation is an alignment of the mind, the body, and the soul, or the heart. And once you have those 3 in alignment, then you can actually start to get better. So that's meditation. Equine therapy, which you brought up as well, is working with horses. This is a great concept, and we have one here locally in Ventura County.
We do.
A great program that deals with that, that's available to veterans. It's kind of unique in a way, because when I think about equine therapy, I'm thinking, okay, they're going to get on a horse, they're going to do some riding.
Right.
Not that at all. It's taking care of the horse. It's taking care of something, an animal, some responsibility, some trust. Some unconditional love, somebody that depends on you, that needs you to take care of them, to either walk them, bathe them, clean them, make sure they're well groomed. So there's a bond that happens between the trainer, the person that's taking the therapy, and the horse.
I think one of the reasons that we think of horses is because when you look into a horse's eyes, they're soulful.
Yes.
And you just go, oh my God, I want to take care of this poor baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, and dogs too.
Well, exactly. Canine therapy, dog therapy, same thing. Unconditional love. I mean, these animals, I have 4 of them, and they just love me to death.
Yeah, and you stroke them.
You stroke them.
I have 2, and we stroke them. I mean, it calms the whole system down.
Right. Yeah, you actually.
There's and ours.
You can actually feel yourself de-stress as you're petting a dog, as you're petting them and scratching them and scratching their head. You can actually feel the stress level go down, and in many cases, if you're really paying attention, you can feel your heart rate come down. And so then internally, it's taking blood pressure down, anxiety down, all these conditions that are part of PTSD, depression, anxiety, panic attacks. All of that stuff starts to fade down. So, yeah, all kinds of animal therapy are just absolutely wonderful. Kind of combine that with meditation. Some people will say they'll meditate during yoga. Great. If that works for you, if that helps, that's exactly what we're trying to get out to the masses right now. There's a number of different things besides taking a bunch of antidepressants and going to counseling for a whole lot of years. Though they're effective, they take some time. There are some other alternatives out there that can help.
That we can do for ourselves.
That we can do for ourselves.
And that are cost effective.
That are very cost effective. You can look up in any of these junior colleges or any of these colleges that are around the area. They have meditation classes.
They do.
And you can get any of those from anywhere from $0 to $50.
And you could go online and they teach you how to meditate.
They teach you how to meditate, exactly.
Yeah. So try meditation. Try horse therapy or dog therapy. Pet your dog. And try hypnotherapy.
Absolutely, hypnotherapy.
I believe in that.
It's the best.
We love hypnotherapy. It's helped us. It'll help you too.